Title: Building a Scalable AI Model Deployment Pipeline with CI/CD for Production-Ready Systems. Intro. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and software engineering. Today, we're tackling a topic that is becoming increasingly critical as AI continues to evolve and integrate into various industries, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with continuous integration and continuous deployment, commonly known as CI/CD. If you're an AI engineer, data scientist, or software developer, understanding this process will enable you to streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and ultimately deliver robust, production-ready AI systems. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide to building a scalable model deployment pipeline. We'll cover the key concepts, best practices, tools, and even a few pitfalls to avoid. Let's get started. Understanding the components. Before diving into the specifics of building a CI/CD pipeline, let's clarify what we mean by a deployment pipeline in the context of AI models. An AI model deployment pipeline automates the process of taking a machine learning model from development to production. This includes everything from model training and validation to deployment and monitoring. In the realm of AI, there are several components that you need to consider. First, you have your data ingestion and pre-processing stages. This is where raw data is collected and transformed into a format suitable for model training. Next, we have model training and validation, which involves selecting algorithms, training them on the prepared data, and validating their performance against a set of metrics. Once you have a validated model, the next phase is deployment. This is where your model becomes usable in a production environment, serving predictions to end users or systems. Finally, monitoring is crucial. It helps you track the performance of your model in the real world, ensuring it continues to meet your quality standards over time. The role of CI/CD in AI deployment. CI/CD plays a vital role in this process. Continuous integration (CI) refers to the practice of frequently merging code changes into a central repository, triggering automated builds and tests. Continuous deployment (CD) extends this concept to automatically deploy code changes to production once they pass predefined tests. For AI models, CI/CD allows teams to iterate quickly, improve collaboration, and maintain high-quality codebases. By incorporating testing at each stage of the pipeline, it reduces the likelihood of problems during deployment and ensures that only models that meet specific quality criteria are released into production. Setting up your CI/CD pipeline. Now that we understand the components and the role of CI/CD, let's dive into the steps required to build a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. The first step involves selecting the right tools. There are numerous CI/CD tools available, including Jenkins, GitLab CI, Circle CI, and Travis CI, among others. Each tool has its strengths, so choose one that fits your team's needs. Once you've chosen your CI/CD tool, you'll need to set up version control for your codebase. Git is the most popular version control system and is widely used in conjunction with tools like GitHub or GitLab. Your team should establish best practices for branching and merging, ensuring that everyone adheres to a consistent workflow. Continuous integration for AI models. The next step is to implement continuous integration for your AI models. Start by setting up automated testing for your code. This includes unit tests for individual functions, as well as integration tests that verify if different components of your pipeline work together correctly. In the context of machine learning, automated testing can also include model validation tests. This involves defining performance metrics and thresholds that your models must meet. For example, you might set a minimum accuracy level that your model must achieve on a validation dataset before it can be considered for deployment. Every time a team member commits code, your CI tool should automatically trigger a build process. This includes running tests and validating models against your predefined metrics. If any tests fail, the CI system should notify the team, ensuring that issues are addressed quickly before they reach production. Model versioning and artifact management. One crucial aspect that often gets overlooked is model versioning and artifact management. Each time a model is trained, it should be assigned a unique version number. This allows you to keep track of different iterations of a model, making it easier to roll back changes if a new version does not perform as expected. You will also want to store your trained models in a centralized repository. Tools like MLflow, DVC, data version control, or even cloud storage solutions like AWS S3 can be used for this purpose. This centralized storage not only helps with versioning but also makes it easier for team members to access and deploy models as needed. Continuous deployment for AI models. After setting up CI, the next step is to implement continuous deployment. With CI, you have ensured that your code and models are tested and validated. CD takes it a step further by automating the deployment process. For AI models, this often involves deploying to a cloud environment or using containerization technologies like Docker. Containers ensure that your models run consistently across different environments, reducing the "it works on my machine" syndrome. Once your model is containerized, you can use orchestration tools like Kubernetes to manage and scale your deployments. Kubernetes allows you to run multiple instances of your model, automatically scaling up or down based on demand. This is particularly useful for AI applications that may experience variable traffic levels. Monitoring and retraining. The work doesn't stop once your model is deployed. Continuous monitoring is imperative to track the performance of your model in real-world scenarios. You'll want to keep an eye on various metrics such as prediction accuracy, latency, and resource utilization. Many teams also implement a feedback loop that allows them to gather data from real-world usage. This feedback can be invaluable for retraining your models. If you notice that your model's performance declines over time, it may be time to retrain it on new data or adjust its parameters. Automating the retraining process is a great way to ensure that your models remain up to date. This can be done by setting up a separate pipeline that triggers the training process based on specific criteria, such as when a certain amount of new data becomes available or when the model's performance drops below a defined threshold. Best practices for a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. As we wrap up our discussion on building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD, it's essential to highlight some best practices to ensure your efforts yield successful results. 1. Embrace a collaborative culture. Foster a culture of collaboration between data scientists, software engineers, and operations teams. Encourage open communication and shared responsibility for the success of AI projects. 2. Automate where possible. Automation is key to scalability. Automate your testing, deployment, and monitoring processes to reduce manual intervention and minimize errors. 3. Invest in documentation. Good documentation is crucial for maintaining clarity in complex CI/CD pipelines. Ensure that all team members understand the workflow and can easily access necessary information. 4. Regularly review and update your pipeline. Technology evolves rapidly, and so do best practices. Regularly review your CI/CD processes and tools to identify opportunities for improvement. 5. Prioritize security. Security should be integrated into every stage of your pipeline. Ensure that you are following best practices for securing your code, models, and data. 6. Be prepared for failure. Not every deployment will go smoothly. Have a rollback plan in place that allows you to revert to a previous model version if issues arise. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD is a multifaceted process that requires careful planning and execution. By understanding the components of the pipeline, implementing best practices, and leveraging the right tools, you can streamline your workflow and deliver high-quality, production-ready AI systems. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with CI/CD and AI model deployment, so feel free to leave your comments below. Until next time, keep building and innovating in the world of AI.